Alright folks, this is Oliver from realizeinternetmarketing.com, and I'm going to be doing a quick video on title tags and metadata. Where to edit them, where to find them, and then also what they mean to you, not just how to get on the front page of Google, but what it means once your page is there for enticing someone to actually get to your page, and how that's represented. So first, we're going to need to use a title tag that I know I already have for one of the pages within my website, on the Realize website, and that is an article called Post Panda Planet. I already have a Google search set up here for Post Panda Planet, and you can see my page is the first one here. You've got a couple other ones, and right here, the first thing you see where you see Post Panda Planet, Realize Internet Marketing, that's your title tag. That's the title tag that you set for your website to let Google, other search engines, as well as your readers know what your page is about, and also know what your main website is about. Now underneath that, you've got the URL. You can cut and paste that into the browser, or you can just click on the title tag to get to the web page. And then underneath that, you're going to have your description. And your description is very important. It lets readers know more about what your page is about. It's kind of like your chance to do a sales pitch, or an informative section, or maybe even having a table of contents is good there sometimes. And you want to have the same keywords that are in your title tag also within your description, and then of course within your content as well. Everything needs to match up. And so if you were using WordPress, you could just go to a plugin. For example, on Realize Internet Marketing, I do use a plugin. It's something called Platinum SEO. It's a great little plugin to use. If you were on Joomla or any of these other content management systems or CMSs, they would have plugins as well, or areas to edit this for you. But also, if you get back in there, you need to know what to edit if you need to edit the actual HTML code. So I'm going to show you that here real quick. So what I have is I have this set up for Notepad, and real quick, HTML here, or hypertext markup language, is the language people use to build websites. Hopefully you would know this already if you have one. And this opens that code, and then this here opens up the header, where a lot of your functionality or information about your website is going to be housed that you're not really showing to people visually, but it is in the background that crawlers can read. And what you want to do is open up a title tag, just like this. Use these arrows with title in the middle, and then put what you want your title to be. Here we have Post Panda Planet with a separator, Realize Internet Marketing, and then we will close the title. It looks almost identical to the opening of the title, except it has this / before it. And you're going to notice that a lot. And so this is where you show up this for your page. And now where you get this, the description from, is down here under meta name. You can have multiple types of meta name. You can do author as well, but I'm not going to get too deep into that. For this, we'll do meta name description. And you're going to want to keep this just like this. Only thing you're going to want to change is everything within these quotation marks, where it says, this is where you would put in your meta description. So it's an entirety, kind of slow for you, meta name equals, keep the description in there, space, content equals, quotation mark, add your description in there. You don't want to go above 120, 150 characters in space, and you want to close it off. That's what that final arrow is. And then you can also do one for your keywords, which will not be shown within Google search results, but it will help you get there. Same thing, meta name equals, now you're going to do the keywords, meta name, content again, and then here you always want to separate your keywords with a comma. Just the structure that all browsers and search engines use. And then you're going to want to make sure that you close your header off, so that way you're not within the body of your website or the content. And I'm going to be doing some more tutorials on the entirety of building and everything, but I just want to cover these real quick just because I do get this quite a bit as a question, so I want to put this out there for everybody. And again, this information is what will get you found here, and it will also get you them to click on this to get to your website. All right. Well, again, it's Oliver from Realize Internet Marketing. If you want to read the article that I've been showcasing here, feel free to do so. You can just go to realizeinternetmarketing.com. It's in the blog section under Internet Marketing and then Post Panda Planet. As always, if you have any questions, email them to info@realizemarketing.com or fill out a Realize report, as you can do here on the site as well. All right. Thanks, everybody, for your time. Hope this helped, and good luck out there.